Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dave Rick. Today I will be taking us through on how to create a professional SEO optimized Fiverr gig. So either you are into freelancing and Fiverr and you are looking forward to creating an optimized gig. Worry not. So if you stay on this video to the end, you'll be able to create an SEO optimized Fiverr gig using the keywords that are on Fiverr. Let me say literally all the keywords pertaining to the service you want to render. So either you're rendering a writing and translation service, different services. But today I'll be using the because I created this account for YouTube service. You can see that I have one account. And when you see that I was creating an account, the last video I made a video on how to create a Fiverr account, an approved Fiverr account. So I can see that the gig I use in approving, getting the account approved, I posted it already, and I've created my main gig, and this is my main gig. But still, I want to create a new gig that will be SEO optimized. So on my account. Because literally you have to create an well optimized gig for you to be able to appear in for you to be able to rank faster so that the keywords that your buyers are looking for can be able to appear on your gig as well. So this is how you are going to get the gig, the keywords that are available in your niche on your in your gigs. So now, first thing first, you have to create a new browser. Once you create a new browser, creates just what either you create a new browser or you have a new browser. So just make sure you have another browser apart from the account where you logged in your account. So on this browser, we are going to be searching YouTube. So now, another thing you need to get ready is your notepad. So because we want to get together some keywords that will be available for us to use. So anything relating to YouTube, we want to search it on this. We want to add anything relating to YouTube because I'm creating a YouTube service gig. So anything relating to YouTube, I'm going to search it on this search tag. So that's where we're going to get our keywords. But note, I think I will be going back to the home page itself. So because that's where I'll be able to get the real keywords. I'll put in here YouTube. So once I put in here YouTube, you can see that there are a lot of keywords relating to YouTube that were suggested. So these are the keywords we are going to be putting down. So what you have to do is you have to put down the content one after the other. The keyword after one another. So now you can see that I'm putting in all together the keywords: YouTube video, YouTube thumbnail. So I'm gonna put all this together. So you can see that I've written everything now. Now the first thing I have to do is now you know that we have YouTube here. So now I'll start with now we'll be starting with any alphabet. So I'll start with alphabet A. So now on alphabet A we have different keyword on alphabet A. So I'm gonna jot every keyword down on alphabet A. So we have YouTube ads, we have YouTube automation, so we have YouTube automation, we have YouTube automation video, automation, yeah. We have YouTube automation video. So this is how I'm gonna put everything. So I'm gonna start from the first alphabet, which is yeah, let me see letter from the first letter A to the last letter, which is Z. So that's how I'm gonna put it. So each keyword I get in each alphabet from which is YouTube, A, YouTube B, and till Z. So I'm gonna put everything down into this my notepad before I start to create my gig, because that's where we're going to using this is what we are going to give the prompt we are going to give ChatGPT for us to get a keyword, the main keyword out for our gig title, and also combining all the keywords together to form a gig description. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put everything together till we reach Z. So as you can see, I've entered all from A to Z. So I've entered all the keywords. You can see all the keywords I gathered together. So now I've gathered everything together. So now what is next for me to do is to create a gig. Now with all these keywords that I've accumulated or joined together, that I've extracted from Fiverr itself. So I can use this all this keyword I can use together to form 4 gig title. If Fiverr account as a new seller, you are entitled to have an account a 4 gig on your new seller account. So you can use all of this, but already I have 1 gig on my account already, so which means I'm left with 3 gig. So I will just copy all this keyword and go over to ChatGPT to help me generate a gig title, 3 gig titles with all these keywords. So you should pick out the unique keyword from this and the one the buyers are using the more to search for the services on Fiverr. So you're going to use that to create 3 gigs, different gigs on your account. And this is how you get the right keyword for you to use on your account. So this keyword as well can be used in your description. You can, ask ChatGPT to use these keywords to write your description based on the service you are rendering, based on the gig that it has generated. So you can ask ChatGPT to, or probably DeepSeek to write you a description for your Fiverr Fiverr gig, and as well design a thumbnail on Canva to have your gig publicized. So this is how you are going to create your Fiverr gig in 2025 with the right keywords. So using the AI option, ChatGPT or DeepSeek to uh, generate the description, the gig title, and the rest for your Fiverr gig to be well optimized. And also, when you're creating your gig, make sure that you use one of the buyer search language to create use the keywords as well to create your FAQ. Now, make sure you create an FAQ while creating your account. So this is how you're going to optimize your Fiverr account, your Fiverr gig with keywords. So whereby you are going to use all the keywords to implement it on your Fiverr account, and it will assist your Fiverr account to easily get spotted by number one, it will rank on Fiverr. Number two, it will rank on Google as well, because Fiverr will be pushing your gig not just only on Fiverr itself, but it will appear on Google search and Google search engine, because these keywords as well will be appearing on Google, because those are the search engines as well. So Fiverr search engine as well is the one we are using for all these keywords. So I hope this video is helpful and it can help you to generate keywords that are related to your freelancing skills and create an optimized Fiverr gig. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, David Rick.